Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Maths. So, today's lesson is going to be about addition of whole numbers to at least 4 digits. So, after this lesson, you should know how to add whole numbers by using the breaking down and building up method, by using breaking down to value using the column or vertical method, and just by adding using the vertical or column method. Now, the first one will be very easy for you because we've discussed the breaking down and building up method in a previous lesson. Now we're just going to use it for addition. Remember, value is the number. So I've got 69. I ask you what's the value of 6. You will tell me it's 60. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to break the numbers down into its values. So when we have 6,389, I'm going to write it as 6,000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 9. Plus the second number will be 2,000 plus 9. Remember the two zeros, they don't have any value, so you don't have to write it down. The only time you're going to use the zero is when you are building the number up and it needs to keep a space, a value, a place value for the tens or the hundreds that we used in this number. If I did not put the zeros when I was building up the number, then the number would have been 29. Okay, so please remember that you don't have to write the value down when we're busy with the breaking down method. Now I put all the values together, the same values. So for the thousands, I've got 6,000 plus 2,000 plus the hundreds. I only have 300, so I'm going to write 300 plus the tens, only 80, and then my ones, it's 9 plus 9 equals. Now I'm going to add all my values together. 6,000 plus 2,000 will give you 8,000. Plus my hundreds, plus my tens, and then 9 plus 9 equals to 18. Can you see that my ones turned into tens as well? So now I know 18. What will the ones be? It will be 8. But what is the tens? It is 110. So I'm going to add the 110 to the 80. Now I've got 8,000 plus 300 plus the 80 plus the 10 will give me 90. And what is left if I took the 10 to the tens? It is 8. And now you can write your answer. 8,398. Always put your values together first and then add it up. For if this happens where you've got more ones or tens or hundreds than you're supposed to have, so you can take it over to the next value. Now I'm going to show you using value of a number to add in column or vertical method. Now, boys and girls, please be very, very careful. When you are using the column or vertical method, make sure that all your ones and tens and hundreds are perfectly underneath each other. Sometimes you write it down and you start to go skew, and then when you add your numbers, you add ones with tens and hundreds with thousands, and your answer will most definitely be wrong. First, I need to break it up into value. I'm going to start with my biggest number, which will be 1,238. Will be bigger than 523. So I'm going to start with 1,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 8 plus, I don't have thousands, so I'm not going to write anything underneath my thousands. But my hundreds will be 500 plus the tens will be 20 plus the ones is 3. And now I can add 8 plus 3 equals 11. 30 plus 20 equals to 50. 500 plus 200 equals to 700. And 1,000 stays 1,000. But now you can see there's a problem. I've got tens with my ones. So how many tens can I send over to my 50? It is 10. So I'm going to say plus 10. And what is left here is my 1. And now I can add up again. So I've got 1 here because I subtracted this, or I added that to that side. So I've got 1 ones, I've got 60 tens, 7 hundreds, and 1,000. 1,000s. Okay. And now I can write my answer. My answer will be 1,761. Okay. Let's try another example. Yeah, I've got 6,000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 9. Now remember, boys and girls, you can pause your lesson at any time and try it. Sometimes I put more than one example, so I can show you the one example and you can try the other example by yourself before looking at my answers. Okay, I've got 2,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9. And now I can add. That will give me 18. That will be 80. 300. And that will be 8,000. Again, did you see that my ones got a 10? So I'm going to add it to that side, and that will be 8. Okay, so it will be 8,000 plus 300. Sorry guys, I saw I made a mistake here. It's not plus 9, it is plus 10. Okay, 300 plus 90 plus 8. And my answer will be 8,398. That is the column method or the vertical method. That means I'm going to do all my calculations underneath each other, but I used value. Now the next one is my favorite. It's the fastest way to do it. Not so much writing that you have to do. Using the column or vertical method. Now, I don't break anything up in value. They didn't ask for value. It's just your numbers you're going to work with. I always start with my biggest number when I'm doing addition. It makes it easier to make sure you're writing your numbers very nicely and neatly underneath each other. Here, I quickly want to show you what I meant with the previous slide, where I said you guys write your numbers and then you don't write it very neatly underneath each other, and then this happens. You go and you say 8 plus 0 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6, 2 plus 2 is 4. Can you see what mistake we made here? By not writing very nicely, neatly underneath each value or place value. This is ones. And now you added it with the tens. Be careful. Make sure you write everything very neatly underneath each other. Okay, now I can go 8 plus 3 equals 11. Now, what's going to happen with my tens? How many tens do I have? 1. So that 1, I'm going to move it to the tens side. So I can add it with my tens. So 3 plus 2 equals 5, plus 1 will be 6. 5 plus 2 equals 7, and 1 is 1. And that's your answer. How quick and easy is this method? I love this method. Let's try again. 6,389 plus 2,009. 9 plus 9 equals 18. I've got tens again. How many tens? Yes, 1. So I'm taking the 1 to the tens side because that's his friends. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 3 plus 0 equals 3. And 6 plus 2 equals 8. So boys and girls, now you've got 3 methods to do addition calculations. Enjoy it, practice it. Remember, practice makes progress. You will only get better and better. Enjoy your day. Goodbye.